if you're like me, have small eyes, you have probably tried everything to make them look bigger. I used to pile on dark eyeshadows, go crazy with a thick eyeliner, and slap on these fake lashes. But let's be honest, it wasn't pretty and my eyes looks a bit off as well. So I'm here to show you exactly how I turn it around and how you can do it too without looking overdone or ridiculous. Let's start with the eyeshadow. Oops, having some fry. Okay, just done the foundation. I will start with the light color, like, you can see. So I have small Asian eyes, as you can see, and then the inner double eyelids, and that actually just looks like a monolips when I open my eyes like that way. So it doesn't actually feel like double eyelids. When I first started learning makeup, I thought that the darker the better, but if you ever gone heavy on the dark colors, you must know the struggle. So here's what actually works. Softer gradient eyeshadow, a lighter shimmer shade on the lip that gives your eyes depth without closing them off. Don't forget your lower eyelids too. And here's a little hat that changed the game easily. Shimmery eyeshadow in the inner corners. It sounds simple, right? It's just a little bit this area. Actually, I should just leave one side, like maybe I just do the makeup on only one side. So, okay, after I remove this size of eye makeup, I have to put some concealer back. So the shimmer shadows is making your eyes having depth. I like this color is closer to my skin color, so I just blend this one with this one. I always want to do this side as well, but I'm going to save this side for the comparison. The more you blend, the softer and more natural it looks. Don't go anywhere, keep watching. Eyeliner, mascara, and a few final touches to hold it all together. Here's another hack, tightlining your upper waterline. This has makes your lash look fuller and your eyes bigger without being harsh. Oops, that's a little horror movie vibe here. Let's keep going. Don't forget the winged eyeliner. A small flick on the outer corners instantly lifts your eyes. It's a game changer. No need for a dramatic wing, just a subtle lift. And for a softer look, try brown eyeliner. It's gentler than black, but still opens up your eyes. Okay, so let's talk about the mascara, who is used to wear super thick and heavy, this kind of lash. Guess what? The guys I dated just say like it's so thick. I think for most of a beginner, you just feel like, okay, just let's get the thickest one, right? So here I do now. Blush first. This is the one I use these days. Like, you can tell the difference, right? This one will be. Okay, the lighting is bad again. Don't know what happened over here. Okay, let's keep going. Glue the lash and stick to the upper eyelid. Wait for it to dry a bit. I apply a little bit of a mascara here. Draw the lower eyelash and apply mascara here too. To enlarge my eye, I use brown eyeliner in the inner corner of my eye. Brush it to make it softer. Another hack is the white eyeliner on the lower waterline. This can brighten and make eyes appear larger. When it comes to Asian makeup, you definitely can't miss Aguioso makeup. Brush a soft brown shade to create a subtle shadow underneath. This makes your eyes look rounder, cuter, and bigger. A little white eyeshadow to enhance puffiness. The last hat, I cheat here with an enlarging color contest. So if you enjoyed this video and find these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and let me know in the comment what's your bigger challenge when it comes to eye makeup, and I would love to hear your thoughts as well. Thanks for watching.